Cloud Forest project is building on 30 years of incredible conservation work on St. Helena. Support for the project is provided by a range of international organizations and experts, but their role is to enable the amazing teams working on the island to scale up their work and develop their understanding of good conservation practice. Building capacity within on-island teams is therefore essential. And in addition to building staff capacity, Year 1 of the project has also funded some significant infrastructure works, including the micro-prop unit and improvements to the seed bank facilities. The Environmental Management Division, EMD, have made huge strides with seed propagation and saving endemic species from extinction, most notably the she cabbage and the false gumwood. Their work has been supported by the Royal Botanic Gardens team at Kew through horticultural advice, seed bank and micro-propagation. Support has also come from the UK Centre for Ecology and Hydrology, or CEH, as well as the Biodiversity Research Centre in the University of British Columbia, Canada, in the form of genetic studies to inform conservation practices. An inverts specialist with the St. Helena National Trust is now in place. This has been supported by the CEH, Howard Mendel, Roger Key, and Vicky Wilkins of the Species Recovery Trust in the UK. A recent visit to the island helped with identification of invertebrate priorities and methodologies for sampling. Teams in the UK's Natural History Museum are also helping with DNA analysis of new and existing specimens to support identification of invertebrate species and to gain an understanding of population genetics.
What we want to try and understand is how
the project aims to upscale delivery and provide training across EMD and St. Helena National Trust teams, and so develop knowledge and capacity on island. Another new piece of work is focusing on developing our understanding of the soil chemistry and biodiversity. The on-island visit in early 2022 by international partners provided training in soil sampling for the St. Helena Research Institute, EMD, and Connect St. Helena staff. Results of this work will enable a better understanding of eDNA, the biodiversity of fungal and microbe communities in the soil, soil chemistry, understanding nutrient availability and other chemical properties, physical properties of soils, including water infiltration and storage. Having this full data set of soil properties will enable a better understanding in the differences between soils within the cloud forest habitat and those under invasive and non-native species, which will also inform conservation practice in the future.